At first glance, you may think to yourself, wow, that book's in bad condition. And it sort of is. However, it actually is kind of fascinating when we open it up. And the reason is that what we'll see is it is actually an American imprint from 1747, which is very early for books printed in the United States. What's interesting as well is it appears to be the original covers and remnants of the original spine, but the spine has dried and chipped away, and some early owner, long in the past, has actually taken it upon themselves to re-sew the cover on to the book like this. And that is a fascinating example of what people would do to keep their books together. I have to say that American imprints of this era are few and far between in the marketplace. They're out there, but this is a scarce book. And it's 2 volumes bound as one, which accounts in part for the condition of it. There are quite a number of these very interesting early woodcut ornaments throughout the book, and they're very quite likely possibly American carved decorations. We'll get here now past the first volume. Here is the second book. It lays flat like so. Boston, New England. Here's his imprint. And we see again like so. The paper here is all, of course, handmade at this time and quite likely made in the United States. It would be possible, no doubt, to examine the paper for signs of a watermark and then look that watermark up in reference books, which we actually have on hand here. Perhaps we'll get to that process before we fully catalog it. At the rear is an index, as well as this final leaf from the publisher, advertising 3 other books that they have available. Interesting Samuel Johnson book. And so, this early American imprint here, as seen and as it survives, is now available online from me, Brian DeMambro.